Basically, I just woke up for a night shift. I just got dressed, did my hair and everything, and now I'm gonna start getting breakfast ready. Before I get breakfast started, let me just take you on a quick little tour of my apartment so you guys can see how it's like. I know you're probably wondering, like, why are you sleeping on the floor? But let me just give you a quick tour of my apartment so far. So this is my bedroom door. Open it. So this is my makeshift bed. The reason why we don't have really any furniture is because we actually moved to the city where I'm at, specifically for this Nicu job. We don't have any furniture. We have just like a whole bunch of random boxes. Yeah, so we just have like a whole bunch of like boxes, and you know, we don't really have that much furniture. My husband really knew that I wanted to do Nicu for a very long time, and that was like, you know, my biggest passion, and that was the job that I wanted to do straight out of nursing school, and that was why I became a nurse in the first place. He really encouraged me to go ahead and try to apply to any of the NICU jobs in Texas and see which one I get. And luckily, you know, I interviewed with this one NICU job and I got the position. Literally within 2 weeks, we left and I started working. So that's why we don't really have that much furniture. We literally just dropped everything and came here just for my dream job. And you know, I'm really lucky that my husband supports me in my dreams and my aspirations, and he pretty much sacrificed his job, and he had a really good job too. He sacrificed his job so that he can fulfill my dreams and make sure that he's doing everything that he's capable of doing to fulfill my lifelong dream of being a NICU nurse. Shout out to him. I'm so glad, you know, like, we're here. I'm so glad that we came to this city. I'm loving what I'm doing. And so that goes to say, if you do have a job that you're really wanting, and that's the biggest goal that you have in your life, there's gonna be those people that are gonna support you no matter what. Apply for that job, even if it's outside of your hometown. Fulfill your dreams. All right, so let's exit out of the room. So this is my bathroom. I mean, it's just like a regular old bathroom. And this is our front door. Here's the laundry. Then here is our living room. So this was the convertible that I was talking about. I ordered it off Amazon and I really like it. We always watch a whole bunch of like movies and we're like huge movie fanatics. All right, and then last but not least, here is my kitchen. This is my favorite part of the entire apartment. Like, I just love the backsplash and the cabinets and the granite, and all the appliances are like so cute and they totally match. This is our little balcony area, and this is actually our second door to the outside. This one goes directly to the parking lot, and we have like a cute little balcony over here. We go directly to our car, which is this orange Mustang. We have this island. All right, so I'm all ready. I have my makeup on, I did my hair, and I already ate my breakfast. I had some pancakes, and I have my lunchbox already ready to go. I do like to get everything ready the day before of my shift, just so on the day of my shift, everything goes a little bit smoother. And my backpack is already ready to go. And basically, that's it. That's how I get ready for my shift. I did want to highlight something that I was talking about in my bedroom. So I was talking about how I moved to this city just to pursue my dream job. If someone had told me when I graduated from nursing school that you should try to apply for cities that are outside of your city. Like, I used to live in a really big city. A lot of the hospitals around that area didn't really take new grads in the NICU. So I was, you know, kind of devastated about that. So I took up a med-surg job. Med-surg was not for me, and I knew that. I was having to work in a job that I didn't like, I wasn't passionate about. So I wish someone had told me, like, hey, you should apply for jobs that are outside of your city. And mostly in like smaller cities or smaller towns, they have a lot of opportunities because people are not willing to go to these jobs. Maybe you can, you know, try to get a job in a different type of city or a different type of town or something that's outside of your hometown or your home city, and see if you can apply and see if you can get the job. Maybe that's gonna be your dream job. Maybe it's not your dream location, and that's okay, because once you get that experience in that different town or you're in a different city, then you can go back to your home city and you can apply for all of those dream jobs of yours that you needed so much experience for before. Basically, the hospitals in those big cities are going to be looking for candidates who actually have experience in the unit that you're applying to. So whenever you do go after those 2 years of gaining your dream job experience in a different city and you go back to your home city, now you're going to be much more of a higher eligible candidate just because you have those 2 years of experience for their specific department. I hope that makes sense. So that's my piece of advice, or anyone who's not in their dream job currently, go on Google, search up whatever position you're looking for in different cities around you. Apply, see what happens. Maybe you'll land your dream job. So good luck to everyone. I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys have any other questions or any comments, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more updates, for more nursing videos. Bye!